Hi everyone, Mr. Silva Decals here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Fortnite vinyl decal and how to list it on eBay.com. Try to compete with the seller and make some money. This video is part of a playlist that I have, which is how to rank your eBay listing to the first page. If you want to watch the full playlist, you can check on the top of your screen and it's showing right now. If it's your first time watching my channel, I make videos every week about how to make vinyl decals and how to make money with them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Okay, let's get started. Alright, right here at the bottom of the screen, I have the decal I want to compete with. So I'm going to open the listing, and this is the current listing I want to compete with. So as you can see, this guy has a good resolution image, but it's showing only one color, so we can improve showing different colors. And then, oh no, hold on, he only have one. Yeah, he only has this decal on black. So, and he has 4 different sizes. That's it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna list different colors so we can make our listing more attractive than this one. Okay, so I already prepared the images for this video. So if you want to know how to get the images and how to edit them and make them ready for the listing, you can check my recent video, which I show the full process. Okay, so let's go and start selling and start the listing right now. All right, and create listing, single listing. Okay, to start this listing, to create this listing, I need the title of this listing, the one I want to compete with, and then I paste the title here, and eBay is gonna give me some few suggestions about which category I should list this one. But we're gonna check first what's the category he has. He has home and garden, home decor. All right, so we're gonna use this category. This step is very important because if you want to compete with him, if you know that he's selling good, so you want to list it in the same category, because if you list in a different category, you won't have many sales as he's making. Okay, this is the category. Okay, we have the title. We're gonna leave the title as it is right now. Later we can improve it. And then we scroll down. If you have a store and you want to have different categories, you're gonna select whatever category you want to list it. In my case, it's card stickers and decals. And right now we're going to create the variations. All right. Okay, so we're gonna need 2 variations for this listing, which is the color and the size. The color is already here, and we're gonna pick red first, red, and then black, blue, and white. And now we're gonna add the size here because it's not shown. Alright. And then we have the size here, and we have to create our own. So in this case, I'm going to list 10 inches by 8 inches. And add it. And then I'm going to list, I'm going to start from the smallest one. I'm going to create a one 9 inches 7, and then 10 inches by 8. This option is invalid for this variation. Oh, why not? Oh, okay, it's already there. So we just click here, and we have 9 by 7, 10 by 8, and the last one is going to be 13.7 inches by 11. Right? So we have our 4 color variation, and we have our 3 sizes variation. Now we need to upload the images. We're going to upload the images in the same order as we create the variations, so all the listing makes sense. So we add the first one, right here. So we're gonna upload the red one first, upload the black one, then the blue one, and finally the white one. Okay, for the white one I created black background so it looks more appealing for customers. Alright, so let's create the variations here by color. Then we add the red again. We add the black one. The blue one. And finally, the last one is the white one. Okay, so we do this because we want that when customer clicks on the variation color, it shows the image on that color. Okay. All right, so we have all the sizes, quantity. We need to set the price. Okay, so for the smallest one it's $14.95. Let's see, and it's free expedite shipping. Okay, so $14.95. So for this one we're gonna do $13. hold on, we're gonna do $12.99. Then for this one, $13.99. This one, $15.99. Okay, so we're going to add the price for all of them. Going to add different quantities, so whenever we sell the listing, the variation doesn't go out of stock. We add like 12 pieces each. Alright, so we hit save and close. Okay, now that we have the variations, this is how the pictures are going to show on the actual listing. All right, down the road I can add some more colors so to make the listing more attractive. All right, okay, and then brand, it says Royal. No, I use Oracle 651, and then type Decal, and then vinyl, it's a vinyl, it's a wall decal. Okay, alright, and then okay, we go to the description. This is very important also because on the description we can add few more keywords to rank this listing better. Alright, so my best friend for the description is, believe it or not, is Google. And then I go to Fortnite, and one of the best places to find information about it usually is the whoever create the game or the product. So we go here, I don't know, Battle Royale. Fortnite. Let's try this one. Okay, Wikipedia is the best. So Fortnite is an online video game developed by Epic Games and released in 2017. Okay. We need to copy a few lines here. So there's a bunch of good keywords here for sure. Copy this and then we paste it in the description. Right? Okay, moving on. This one I'm going to schedule the listing for tomorrow, actually for this afternoon because it's already Thursday, and I'm going to 3 p.m. because whenever you list your items in the afternoon, they rank better for some reason. And then my state, the taxes, 60 days. Okay. And return shipping will be paid by buyer. And economy shipping, 1 to 10 business days, free shipping. All right. 1 business day in handling time. And yeah, pretty much. So and then we hit list item, and then we're ready to start selling this decal and see how it sells. Later on in future videos, I'm going to do a follow-up with all the items or decals I'm listing, and let's see how they sell. Let's see if they rank well, because I want to show you that I'm not telling you lies. I'm trying to help you start your own business, your own vinyl decal business, and I'm trying to show you as much as I can how you can do it. So okay, this is it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, you can do it now. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific video about how to make any decal, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.